Hey friends, welcome back to Get a Simple. If you're looking to build beautiful, professional websites effortlessly, you're in the right place. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. Elementor, one of the most powerful page builders on the market, is offering a massive 75% discount. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Elementor's drag-and-drop editor makes web design a breeze. No coding required. Elementor Pro offers premium features like designer-made templates, mobile editing control, advanced widgets, and WooCommerce integration for online store management. So, what are you waiting for? To get started, click the link in the description below and grab this amazing deal while it lasts. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Get a Simple. I'll see you in the next one.